When you create a presentation, PowerPoint will give your presentation a default name, called Presentation. In this case, my file is called Presentation 7. To save your file with the relevant name and in your selected location, click the File tab button. Click the Save List item. Select a file location from your folders listed here, or click the Browse button to locate the location to save your file. Select where to save the file. In this case, we want to save the file on my desktop. Always give your file a relevant name. It makes it easier to find the file when you need it. Type the name of your file in the File Name text box. Once you have selected the location to save your file, click the Save button. The name of your file will appear on the PowerPoint title bar. Now that our presentation is saved to the desktop, remember to save your file as you make changes to the presentation. A quick way to do this now is to click the Save button on your Quick Access toolbar to resave, or use the Control key plus S. You can also use the same File tab from the File tab instead of selecting Save. Select Save As. This time your file will be updated, but you do not have to give it a new name or select a location. Unless you want a new copy of the file, you will then click the File tab and select Save, and give your file a new name. And that's it. You may now exit this demo. Or click the replay button to watch this demo again.